Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Baidu. This was a stock analysis request from one of the followers, and I wanted to let you know that anyone can make these requests and I will most likely cover them, especially if there is an actionable trade setup to follow. Now in the case of this chart, I am tracking a pretty simple structure where this is considered a wave 1 up in a leading diagonal, and I am looking for a correction in a wave 2. Now for this correction, I would expect to reach the support area for such a wave between the $67 level at the 38.2% retracement all the way down to the 78.6% retracement at the $11.4 level. Now especially this level at the 78.6% retracement is of high support. We do have this incredible structural support in this area. But for now, we are actually still quite far away from anything like it. And yeah, we may end this correction far before we actually get to anywhere near that level. Now, so far within this wave 2 correction, I could technically see it complete. Technically, it is not impossible for this correction in wave 2 to have completed here. I find it unlikely, especially since we did not reach the support zone yet, and probabilities suggest that we usually do reach the support zone in wave 2, especially when the wave 1 isn't necessarily as impulsive as an actual impulse, since yet we are tracking a leading diagonal here. But who knows, we could have bottomed, we could be in the third wave to the upside, but for that to actually be the case, I would need to see some confirmations, some indications, and a first one would be to break above the 78.6% retracement level at the $254 level. Now, as long as we stay below that, I am still in high favor of an additional low within this wave 2, and I am considering any movement to the upside until that point a correction in a corrective structure, where right now I am looking for a reset of this wave B. Now previously we had pretty clearly completed a wave A here, and then we had this as the wave B. We did react pretty confidently to the 50% retracement to the point that it created another attempt to push directly lower. And in some cases, I might even consider this a 1-2 setup that is developing within the wave C to the downside. So technically, we could have still completed the wave B here, and this could be the 1-2 setup that we are looking for. But yeah, we have to also keep in mind that we broke above any resistance that we would be looking for such a wave 2. Now that doesn't prevent us from still following through. I would need to break above the B wave top for an invalidation of this 1-2 setup within the wave C, but the probabilities now suggest that we will probably have a reset within this wave B, where we are building a larger ABC structure to the upside, especially since we still managed to push higher after we retraced quite deeply within this B wave. Now let's add another wave here, another count here within this wave B structure, and an ideal target for the wave C would normally be the 100% extension of the wave A, and that would be at around the $164 level. Now we can remove the resistance area for this direct movement in the C wave to the downside. I don't consider that impossible, but not necessarily probable either. Right now I am tracking within this C wave to the upside a possible impulse that would be forming, and I am expecting to build a 5-wave structure regardless. And internally within this wave 3, we need to see if we may actually still have waves to complete before we get a full count. Now I changed the degree, but this one is actually better. And yeah, let's see. In this area, it is quite choppy, so nothing that could inspire a lot of confidence. So basically, I could even consider that this wave 2 actually bottomed here, and we had some sort of a different ABC correction where the wave C didn't even push below the beginning or the end of the wave A. This is probably for the better to count the third wave to the upside from this point. And yeah, we seem to be towards the end of this wave 3, but I actually could still see a few more highs occurring before we get such a top, and I will be looking for a general area of a wave 4, not something too specific for an exact count, but considering that, yeah, this is a 1-2 setup, and I need to even verify if I can consider it as such. But yeah, this seems all right. It is below. So yeah, we have an internal 1-2 setup here, and I would be looking for a correction in wave 4, assuming we don't push directly higher, in the area between the $128 all the way down to the $110 level at the 50% retracement. Now, I have no confirmation that this third wave has not topped, and I don't have any confirmation that it cannot push higher. But I have to say, even if this third wave is entirely complete, I would have a very, very similar support area for wave 4, even in this interpretation. And yeah, it would be a general area of support where if we break below the 50% retracement here, it would be a pretty good indication that this B wave actually topped here, and we are in the direct 1-2 setup where we would continue with the third wave to the downside in this area, and then yeah, we would be looking for a fourth and then a fifth to complete this entire wave C. And in that case, I would be looking for an ideal target for the wave 3 to the downside at the $50 level. Now let's add also a count in this interpretation for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this would be in the yellow scenario of a higher degree. And we won't really be looking at the resistance area. We did break it, and yeah, it is pretty convincingly, even if we did find some resistance before doing so. That's not very relevant. But yeah, if we break below the 50% retracement, I expect most likely to find continuation to the downside in the yellow scenario, in a third wave at the $50 level ideally. And for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.